everybody, Chef Jacob here with a new dish alert going live tonight in Rendezvous. We have a new heirloom tomato salad. I want to make it and show it to you. I like to have two different varieties, or at least just colors. After they're halved, cut them. I kind of like just cut them randomly, nice chunks. So here we go with that. We're going to put those in our mixing bowl. And I have some shaved red onion, juice of 1 speed lemon, special seasoning that I like to use, and something that really ties it all together. I have this Italian orange blossom honey. So a little bit of that just to play with the sweetness. Of the tomatoes. So take that, mix it up nice. While that's going to sit and marinate really quick, let's set our plate. So the base of our plate, I have my za'atar labna. So it's yogurt that you kind of treat like cheese. I'm gonna spread that around the base of the plate. Now for the fun part, garnishing. So we're gonna garnish with dukkha spice. So this is a mixture of hazelnuts, pistachios, sesame seeds, cumin, and coriander seeds. And then I have some very nice petite basil leaves. So put that on all nicely. See, this is vegetarian, gluten-free, healthy, local. Get where I want. Clean it up. And here we are. New heirloom tomato salad. You'll see it in Rendezvous starting tonight, Friday, and for the rest of this, as long as heirlooms are as great as they are right now, and they will be showcased in Carvery for the healthy salad option next week.